Why ISO 9001 requires maintaining the organization knowledge? If you want to know what an organization knowledge is, I just happen to have another video in this channel explaining it. Worth watching, it's a short video. I'm Danielle and I'm here to help anyone who's not familiar with the quality profession to help you to use quality methods for your work. The requirement of preserve and maintain the organization knowledge comes from ISO 9001 standard. But even organizations that do not have ISO 9001 certification, it is still a good idea to keep and maintain the organization knowledge. At the end of the day, knowledge is power, and in the industry, knowledge is money. But if the knowledge is just in the employee's head, then once the employees leave, the knowledge is gone with them. No company wants to take that risk. ISO 9001 standard requires companies to identify all their risks. And one of the risks is losing the unique organization knowledge. If the company is somehow preserving the knowledge, say by writing a procedure, but if the procedure is 10 years old and the knowledge is obsolete, then it's not helpful. This is the reason why ISO 9001 requires not only to preserve, but also to maintain, which means update, the organization knowledge. But what to do if the organization unique knowledge takes about 10 years of experienced employee to know it? In this case, some of the knowledge can be documented and some can be taught by the experienced engineer to the new ones as an ongoing weekly or monthly activity. This way, the knowledge is being updated all the time because the trainings are ongoing. For more about ISO 9001 standard, simply go to easyiso.com website to the downloadables page.